Kimberlee and welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from Wishtrend. I've ordered from Wishtrend before, as you can see in one of my older videos, from some skincare I just got, and so far it's been doing really well on my skin. But then I just happened to come across a video from Bowen, who's a YouTuber who's American but lives in Korea, and I see that she has like some sort of skincare brand collaboration going on with them. So I always love their packaging because it says like Wishtrend inside. But I got this, and it takes about like 2 or 3 weeks to get here, but it's not too bad. And they also always have really good sales. So everything I got is vegan, which was great because I wanted to make sure of that too. And let's see. So these are a bunch of samples. And that's what I love about Korean skincare, that they send a lot of samples so you can try their products out. So this is actually all the stuff that I got. So that was actually pretty easy. She put together a skincare line of steps, and you could just easily go on the website and order them. I believe I paid 50 something for them. So pretty. Like I was saying before, all of these are vegan and cruelty free. This is the green tea and enzyme powder wash. So this is what the bottle looks like, and it's a powder. Supple preparation unscented toner. So this is a moisturizing skincare program. It's essential oil free, balances pH, deep moisturizing, and cleanses and soothes. Oh, and this came included in it too. I don't really like to use cotton pads, but these are cotton pads for your toners. I usually like to not waste product, but they sent it as well. And then here's what I hope is going to be my saving grace. So this is the Klairs freshly juiced vitamin drop. So it's pure vitamin C, Klairs rich moist soothing cream, basic essentials, replenished moisture, gentle and soothing, non-greasy feeling, and vegan friendly. And that's it. So I'm gonna do a little product demo so you can see how the products are all on my face, and then hopefully we'll see. I think that they're gonna be really good products. All of them are very gentle. And then the products that I already have that are from Wishtrend that are vegan, from that vegan sale that they had a couple months ago, have been working really well. So probably I'll use these maybe during the nighttime and then use the ones that I already have during the daytime, just so I'm not wasting product. But now I feel like I am good on skincare. I don't want any more skincare anymore. I have enough products. So please, if I ever say I'm gonna get something else, be like, don't do it. You have enough. Okay? As you probably know by now, okay, so I just washed my face, and now I am going to use the powder cleanser. Apply subtle amount on your hand and mix with water. Rub to create a foam. Can you see that? It smells like green tea. Okay, now we rinse. So I just patted my face dry. It feels nice and clean, but not dry and stripped. So now I'm gonna apply the toner. I'm gonna rub it. So once that's settled into my face, I'm gonna use this next. And it says to apply a proper amount over your face and neck in the morning and evening. If you have sensitive skin, apply with 1 to 2 pumps with a serum or a cream. My skin can be sensitive, but I'm gonna just try it out for the first time by itself and adjust from there. You can see some of like my breakouts and stuff like that. I just get really big ones on that. I've been using the pimple patches, and I actually need to get more, and of course I ordered these and forgot to get them, but the pimple patches I've been using, and it really does like draw out all the like pus and stuff like that. This used to be one, and it obviously like went down like a good amount, so I'm hoping that this one will soon. And finally, moisturizer. I have been absolutely loving the products. They have done so well for my skin, as you can see. I have problematic acne-prone skin. It has definitely gone down so much. There's still a little bit of a scar. But it was huge, and you'll see it in the videos. I have not had any major breakouts, and I feel like my skin has just calmed down. Everything is very flat. So while I still have scars and stuff that are gonna take longer to go away, there's nothing that's raised. It's so smooth, and I really think that that has to do with the products that I just got. Okay, so that is everything that I got from Wishtrend. I am so happy to be trying out these products. Highly recommend that you try them as well if you're looking for skincare for acne-prone skin. All the information will be down below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.